Okay, and for this last one, we're going to be doing a sound effect. For this one, I chose the falling star. For this one, you can see the voltage control is at 0, so it's basically taking out all of the tone and just making the sound effect kind of that we want. And you'll also hear with the hold time and the decay time, it's going to sustain for a little bit longer and then kind of go down, and you'll get that kind of falling effect. So if I just play it once, you'll hear this, which sounds like something kind of falling down from the sky or off a cliff. But I also think it's cool when you hold down a key and you can hear sort of the oscillation in the signal as it decays, which is a pretty cool sound too.